In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to password protect a PDF without Adobe Pro, PDF password. Let's begin. So you're going to head over to your web browser and you're going to type in www.ilovepdf.com in the search bar and you'll be greeted by this page. And once you've landed on this page, you'll notice that there are different things that you can do with your PDF. You can convert your PDF to another document type, or convert the PDFs to JPEGs, PNGs, and so on. But what we're going to be looking for is something called Protect PDF. So once you find it in the middle, you're going to select it, and it's going to ask you to select a PDF file. I'm going to use this PDF document as an example. Simply select Open. Once it has been opened, head over to the right side, and you're going to be prompted to type in your password, and then you have to repeat it. So when you're going to enter in your password, you have to make sure that it has a lowercase and uppercase, and it has a number ranging from 0 to 9, and it must have special characters, and at least 8 characters. So once you're happy with everything, select Protect PDF. And at the top, it's going to say PDF files have been protected. So now you just have to wait for the PDF file to finish downloading. Select Open. Then you're going to be prompted to enter in your password because we previously protected this PDF with a password. Once you're done, select Open File. And as you can see, our PDF is now ready for viewing. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.